find a square. We're now in Verona. It's very, very small. It's actually smaller than Florence, but there's a lot more shopping and it kind of seems more upscale for some reason. Let's see. Well, they have these like cool masks. They sell bubble tea here. Hi. And they have condiments. Wait, should we try some of their condiments? I love that when it's raining, they're still sitting outside. It's just their culture here. Little alleyways. There's a fountain. Is this like a castle? What is it? It's the Palazzo Mephi House Museum. What is all this? Oh. Wait, they look kind of interesting. They're like Oreo looking like sandwiches? I know, this looks so good. I think I'm gonna get one of these. I've been waiting for this moment.
Romeo.
That's my boy.
That's a Romeo just look.
That's my boy. This is the balcony. We're on top of the balcony. Oh, I can see the people down there again. Her neighbor had a nice ass house. Okay, stylish. Wow. Guess this was her room. What is this, like some sort of door? Yeah, I wonder if all these people stay together though. They're streaming. What the heck? She was a gamer girl.
She was a Twitch
girl. That's how they met online. Minecraft. I went down to get a postcard, wrote a letter to Juliet, because that's what I wanted to come here for, so now I'm delivering it. Here we go. There's a lot of stuff in there. What is What is it built for?
Fighting.
The marble floor. It's so small.
Then the castle outside. Now time to meet the enemy outside.
Oh, it's raining again. Do you like this? Whoa! Oh my god, it's so, that is kind of scary. It's so beautiful. This lighting is not doing it justice at all. But the river, oh my god, it is kind of really, really strong. Wait, I don't know if you can see, there's like a castle all the way up there. I don't know if you can see it over there. Oh, it's really pretty too. Abandoned. This is La Piazza something? Piazza what? Arsenal. Here's that gate. Floors are kind of muddy. But yeah, what? Looks abandoned. Like the glass inside is broken. There isn't much here. We thought it was like some sort of like fort or castle or something, but maybe it's closed. Okay, just kidding. We think it's that thing. Let's see if it's still open. Oh, I think it was just this park thing because this was supposed to be all water. There's like a walkway here. People are just chilling. I think it's this, right? Would have been super pretty if there was still water here, but this will do. It's still nice. And I think that was the castle we were at yesterday that we couldn't get into, but holy crap, this current is crazy. This is a bridge that crosses back over to the other side, the city square. Whoa. Wow. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm like living out my princess dreams. How the hell? I'm kind of scared too. There are stairs, so... Wait. Wow. We're gonna attempt to climb up this. Oh my lord. Scared of heights. Like, I feel like being here makes me feel like a princess because we're like in an actual castle. ate the charcuterie board. Yes.
Maybe this one for two people? Actually no, maybe is that too much since we're eating right after? You said it's something Italian, right?
I don't know, so I guess I'm making my own gin and tonic. This is for 2 people? The charcuterie board? Damn. No,
what do you mind if we're not gonna eat and you're gonna keep going? We're not eating. I don't eat too much bread. Not too much bread in it, you know?
That's why you order carbonara.
Yep. Oh, dry.
Abracadabra. Breadsticks.
Oh.
I'm gonna try this.
Eating more lunch meat.
I kind of like it. Is it just ham? It's so funny that I'm eating like this.
Very cheese.
Honey. Oh, that's honey?
Oh, brie and honey. That's a timeless combination.
Is it honey? Okay. Oh, it's soft.
Oh, don't eat the whole.
Doesn't taste like anything. Is it just me?
That's just you.
Carbonara. Thank you. Okay, let's go.
How many reviews do they have?
Hello. Thank you so much.
Didn't you just finish reading the menu?
No, I didn't even look at it.
Tell me you had the best fried anchovies.
It's the only fried anchovy ever.
Okay, so it's the best. Say it.